Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your IP address and network info on your PS5 settings. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and figure out what your IP address is connected to on your PS5. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, you first want to navigate to where it says Settings. Next, click on Network. Next, click on Connection Status. And then you want to click on where it says View Connection Status. So right over here, you can see a lot of different information. If you go ahead and scroll down, that is where you're going to be able to see your IP address and your network info. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your IP address and network info on your PS5 settings. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.